Hello guys, welcome to my another brand new video. In this video, talking about event insurance, what the insurance covers. Written by Pritam Kalwal. Event insurance is a prerequisite when you want to hold an event or a special occasion. This can also cover an exhibit in a trade show to promote a product or a service. The coverage offers protection from loss or a misfortune. The insurance can cover your property, products and service, life, accident or disability. One of the reasons why event insurance is beneficial is because it can cover different events. Although you get one policy, the coverage has many uses. You can take this policy for a business conference, trip, speaking engagement, parties, wedding and seminars. Anytime there is an event taking place, there is usually a form of security deposit that is at risk. What this insurance? The loss of the money is prevented. The insurance is an effective approach to manage financial losses. Here is the coverage that you should accept from this insurance. Number one, cancellation of this event. This also includes postponement of relocation of the event. There are times when you plan an event but needs to be cancelled last minute because of the weather strike, natural disaster or terrorism. No matter how much you plan for an event, there are cases where there is low attendance or losses because of unavoidable circumstances. Event liability insurance will assist in recovering from the losses you incurred in planning and other costs of the event. The insurance can also cover product liability so that you can enjoy yourself in the event without having to worry about the safety of your guests. Special event insurance is the cover for exhibitions and trade conventions. This is very important for you to business as accident usually happen when we last accept it. Although you can consult an attorney and file a claim, the best resource is to rely on this cover to immediately assist the business in recovering from the loss. Number 3. People who are celebrating an occasion such as wedding or a party can obtain on the event insurance. You are usually held legally responsible should an accident happen that leads to injuries of those in attendance. There are cases whom it might be difficult to repay everyone it takes of healthy costs in the event of an accident or injuries. Additionally, you might have hired premises and damaged the property those accidents happen. It means that there are certain administrative charges that you will need to pay for these losses. What this insurance, you can be sure the cover will be of assistance. Thanks for staying with us. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.